Morning guys, July 29th, 2023. So here I got a call from a lady. She's got a toilet that's leaking from the second floor down to the first, leaving a stain on the ceiling. So
turn right on Tucker Road.
I was just over there fixing her air conditioning last week. She's an old lady and the old house there. So who knows? It could be anything. Could be the tank leaking. Could be the wax. She seems to think it's coming from the toilet area. So we're gonna go over there and check it Saturday. She wants me to go over on a weekend. Ka-ching! 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 I don't like working weekends unless the people want to pay the extra dough.
West Hawthorne Street.
We get $160 an hour on a weekend, $125 during the week, $160 on Saturday, and $180 on Sunday. This way it keeps the people from, having me out all weekend. If they really need me, a serious thing, they'll pay the extra dough. It just keeps the business running smoothly. I'd rather work during the day, during the week, during the day, obviously. You know the way people are, they'll be having you over there in the middle of the night. If it's the same rate, what do they care? If you change the rate, well, then it changes their thinking a little. Bring it back into reality here. Thinking back into reality here, mama. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. I don't think I've never worked on this second floor toilet that I recall. We'll start up there and see if it's leaking on the floor, and no, maybe it's the wax. Let's hope something simple. There's a toilet here, there's a toilet there. I think it's that wax. The toilet's loose. I'm gonna change the wax. See if we can get this thing apart. Oh man, she's flipping crusty as hell. Should do it. Let's see. She's shutting off. Son of a bitch. An old American Standard. Back in the day. No yellow. Probably gonna put a new supply on this thing too. See what a container there to drip into. I might have to change the shut off. That's a threaded one. Maybe not. Wow. Wow. I'm going to put a no supply on there because that might not be in the same spot. 7/16, that's the one. Might have to grind it off. Could be a lead pipe. I gotta grind it. There it goes. Itch. We'll have to grind this one off. That's all, grind it off. I know this side's loose because I can move it by hand. This one's coming off. Pull the toilet, change the wax. See right here, there's not a lot of, really not a lot of wax on it. Not a lot there. don't think I have a jumbo wax, which I like to use on this, but I don't have one. I'll have to just use... Use a regular wax. I got my last one here, looks like. Ain't gonna want to go there. I'm gonna have to do something different with this one. You want to break it. It wants to be right in line this way. It just needs a new wax, that's all. That should be good right there. Push them down. That's right in the middle. That's what we want right there. I got these so I know where my bolts are. This one doesn't have a horn on it. I could go with I got some of the 3-inch. This should be good. They make these quick set. They are 2 1/4 and 3 inches long. I have both in the truck. This I might just have to take that out and put putty in there instead. Always good to change the supply, especially if it's an old one. We don't have any leaks. Just move down and back. You want to get these that don't kink. If you try kinking them, if they kink, don't buy them. Only buy the good ones that don't kink. We'll turn on the water and we'll check for leaks downstairs. That should be it. Hopefully.
You talking to yourself?
Huh?
You talking to yourself?
Yeah, it's all that money I got in the bank.
Oh, you know that saying?
Huh?
I was going to say.
Yeah.
I said, you must have a lot of money in the bank.
I do.
A lot of talking to yourself.
Gotta have an intelligent conversation.
Is that right? getting it done.
Where the hell the gasket is? An old ball cock. That's what they call that. Might need a new gasket. Let's see if it stops. Oh, it's just stopping. That's good. Okay, back in the day when the American Standard was a good toilet. I don't feel any water. This is dry. That's good. I'm just checking the ceiling downstairs, which it should be fine. Alright, I don't see any leaks, and that's
Well, we
probably
didn't
gonna...
see it, we saw what I saw.
No, I mean, it was
Wanna
just...
see,
It needed to be redone, so we did it.
Well, we'll see